This is my Nexus 7 tablet, and the other day I accidentally disabled the keyboard process and I couldn't get to the keyboard. So if the on-screen keyboard isn't working, I was pretty much stuck at the screen without the keyboard, and there was no way for me to log in without this keyboard here. Some people suggested just doing a factory reset, but then one guy was smart enough to say just use an OTG cable, the one with the micro USB hookup, and then a female USB hookup at this end. That way you can hook it up to a keyboard. So I just hook this up, then hook up this side. And the great thing is, since Nexus 7 supports OTG, after I did that, I can finally type stuff with my keyboard here. Now I was able to log in. So if your on-screen keyboard stops working on a Nexus 7 or Android tablet, hopefully you have an OTG cable like over here with the micro USB and female USB 2.0 or 3.0 hookup, and you can hook up a keyboard like what I did. I have allergies, that's why I'm sniffling.